Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix cannot print from Google Chrome in any Windows PC or laptop. It is a very simple error and I give the multiple solution to fix this error. First of all, we discuss about our problems or errors and then solve that error. I press Ctrl P. There are many problems with the printer. If your all views goes to blank or the black screen or the white screen, your printer is not selecting, printer is gray out, or you give the print but not printer is not working, or the print is not go to the print spooler or not printing on your printer. We discuss or the remove all this problem in this all step. I give 7 or 8 multiple solution and fix this all problems or any problem with our printer or our Google Chrome. This is our goal for this video. So let's go to our first solution. Our first solution is very simple and basic. Go to the here outer top, we find URL. Go to this URL or the address bar and here type Chrome. Here we type Chrome : /flex and hit enter key on your keyboard. Type as it is and hit enter key on your keyboard. And in search, type calculate. And here we find calculate window. It is something like default. Make sure change it to the disabled and click on relaunch. It's relaunch your Google Chrome and check your problem is solved with your printer or the Google Chrome print or not. If it's not, then go to our next solution. Our next solution is very simple. Go to the Google Chrome. At this point, go to the here Google Chrome shortcuts or the icon, right click on it. And here we find new Incognito. Click on Incognito Mode and Incognito is open. Here type your website name or type your website. Open your website and go to the Ctrl P. And in some cases, Incognito Mode work with your printer and it's also solve your problem. Our next solution is also very simple. Reset and clean up. It is a very IMP thing on the Google Chrome. Go to the here settings, 3 dots on the top we find 3 dot. Click on this 3 dot, click at here and go to the here settings. Click on the settings. In settings we find many options. Here we find option in the right side, reset settings. Click on reset settings. In reset setting we find restore settings to their original defaults. It's reset your original default settings on your Google Chrome. That is the goal. Click at here and click on reset settings and click on new tab and click on Ctrl P and you print to your printer and it's maybe fix your problem. If it's not fix your problem, then I give the another solution. Another solution is very simple. Clean browsing data. We are going to clean our browsing data. That is also very simple. Go to the here Google Chrome. Click on this 3 dot, click on these 3 dots. Here we find delete browsing data. Click on delete browsing data. Here we find delete browsing data. It is some on the basics. Go to the advanced, click on the advanced. In time range, select all time and select this all checkboxes. Select this all checkboxes, include password and other sign-in data. It is remove your password from the Google Chrome. Also, click on the delete data and it's delete your entire history and other things from your Google Chrome and check now your Ctrl P is working or not, your print options are working or not. And in many cases this solution work for 99% and it's print your pages on your printer. If it's not, then our next solution is very simple and basics. We are going to update our current version of the Google Chrome. That is also very simple. Go to the here 3 dots in a Google Chrome and go to the help. Go to the help. In help, we find about Google Chrome. Click on about Google Chrome and it started to update. If we find any latest update, it automatically goes to the update, latest update and install it on your Windows operating system and it's relaunch. If it's not a relaunch, close it and relaunch it again. I have up to date. My Chrome is latest version, so I don't need to update it. It is not going to the update. In your case, it's go to the update. Then go to the new tab and go to the Control P, and your printer work with your Google Chrome. If it's not, then I give the another solution. Another solution is very simple and basics. We are going to services. Close this or minimize it and go to the start, and here type services and click on the services. In services, find print spooler. Here we find print spooler. Click at here and right click on the print spooler and go to the properties. In properties, here we find startup type. It is disabled or anything other. Then go to the here automatic. Make sure it is automatic. Click on apply. Now it is stopped. Make sure service status is stopped or not. It is start. Click on the start. Now service status is running. That means automatic service status is running. Click on apply. Click on OK. And here we find restart. Restart your services. Wait for a few seconds. After that, print spooler and running and automatic is IMP. Then close it and check your problem is solved or not. If it's not solved, then I give the last solution with our printer. Go to the here. Here we find start and troubleshoot. Type troubleshoot and troubleshoot settings. Click on the troubleshoot settings. In troubleshoot settings, go to the additional troubleshooters. And here find printer. Click on the printer. I have problem with the printer, so click on printer and click on run the troubleshooter. And it's detect our problem and reinstall or update our problem or give advice how to manage that problem. In this case, there is no problem. If any problem, then click on apply this fix. In my case, there is no problem. And last solution or the extra solution for us, make sure your printer is updated. Your printer driver is make sure updated. If it is not updated, download the current version of your printer driver and reinstall your printer driver on your PC or laptop. That's also solve your problem on your Windows PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest multiple solution to fix this simple problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.